In this lecture, I am going to explain that how A/B testing works. Don't skip last part of the video because in last part you have something special. You can monitor the visitor actions using statistics and analysis to determine the version that yields a higher conversion rate. A/B testing results are usually given in fancy mathematical and statistical terms, but the meaning behind the numbers are actually quite simple. There are two significant methods through which you can check conversion rates using A/B testing: sampling of data and confidence intervals. The number of samples depend on the number of tests performed. The count of conversion rate is called a sample, and the process of collecting these samples is called as sampling. For example, let us say you have two products A and B. You want to collect sample data as per its demand in the market. You can ask a few people to choose from product A and B and then request them to participate in a survey. As the number of participants increase, it will start showing in realistic conversion rate. There are various tools that can be used to determine the correct number of sample size. One such free tool available is m1miller.org. Confidence interval is the measurement of deviation from the average on the multiple number of samples. Let us assume that 22% of people prefer product A in the example, with plus or minus 2% of confidence interval. This interval indicates the upper and lower limit of the people who opt for product A and is also called as margin of error. For the best results in this average survey, the margin of error should be as small as possible. Let us assume that in product B, we have added a minor change and then performed A/B testing on these two products. Confidence interval product A and B are 10% with plus minus 1% and 20% with plus minus 2% respectively. So this shows that a minor change has increased the conversion rate. If we ignore the margin of error, conversion rate for test variation A is 10% and conversion rate for test variation B is 20%, hence 10% increase in the test variation. Now if we divide the difference by control variation rate 10% divided by 10% is equal to 1, that is 100%. It shows an improvement of 100%. Hence, we can say that A/B testing is a technique based on mathematical methods and analysis. There are various online tools that can be used to calculate A/B significance. One such example is getdatadriven.com. If you want to learn completely about any course you need for learning, then click on my special link in the description and learn best courses from top instructors and get certification also. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.